Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 12, Global Business Skills. We're getting towards the end of the semester, and I'm looking forward to seeing what we have left to learn and getting closer to your final projects. Next week will be your final project preparation worksheet, so that's something to consider as we move through week 12. And pretty soon you should be starting the work on the video for your final project. And next week there'll be a test using this software that I'm using right now to make this video, Screencast-O-Matic, but you can also use other software, so it's your call. Let's look at week 12 and see what we have in store for us this week. If we look at week 12, we're here on the intro video right now. Let's look at what our objectives are. One is to describe a multicultural team. We've kind of been talking about this roundabout in some of our discussions. But in general, the research shows that multicultural teams provide a level of diversity that allow teams to function more effectively by gaining different perspectives and having diverse inputs. Those are things that make teams more effective. So we're going to learn a little bit about that. We're going to list some skills that are necessary to work effectively on a global team. Last week's discussion talked a lot about global citizenship and how you can be a global citizen. And there's many ways to do that. It doesn't necessarily involve traveling to other countries, but just being aware. And that can happen in a global team. So a global team is being able to be effective on a global team is an important global skill that I hope you'll take away from this course. We're going to go back and look again at the 5 dimensions of human relationships that we have in our Writing the Waves of Culture book. So we're going to look at those 5 dimensions in a little bit different way in the discussion this week. And we're going to talk about how that impacts some of the rules of society. So let's see, those are our objectives. Let's see what we're going to do to accomplish those. One is the graded discussion. Again, that's about chapters 4 to 8. The other is the readings and videos that I prepared here. You're going to read some from your Globe Smart book as well about working on a global team, which I mentioned, and also this chapter 11, which is about innovating. And I think that is one of the important outcomes of any type of global experience or global citizenship or global teams. All of those things cause you to be more innovative. And this chapter is a good way to look at that from a business perspective. So enjoy that reading. I always enjoy it. And then there's also a web article here and some videos to watch that are related to cultural diversity and working on multicultural teams, even a project from Kirkwood that we've done with some of our global partners. So let's see, is that it? The readings and videos and the discussion forum, and of course the quiz, which will cover some of that content from the readings and videos. I hope you have a wonderful week. And remember, week 13 is going to be that worksheet. So you could get a jump start on that if you have time and start thinking about your final project. Have a great week.